Customizing and organizing your space is easy with Dakota Closets. Start by marking the wall in the location your closet will be placed. Mark the location of the first upright, then measure the length of your shelves to determine the location of the second upright. Install the cam dowels from the cam lock pack into both of the uprights using a screwdriver. Install cam dowels in the top holes and also in the corresponding holes for placing your shelves. Lift each upright over the floor molding with the notched end facing down and place flush against the wall. Align the cam locks from the cam lock pack over the pre-drilled holes in the shelves, making sure the open ends match up. Firmly press the cam locks into the holes. Lower the shelves with the installed cam locks onto the installed cam dowels on the uprights. Once seated, secure the shelves with a screwdriver by turning the cam lock a half turn in the clockwise direction. The cam locks are designed to be turned with the screwdriver at a slight angle. Use a small L bracket to secure the top shelves to the wall. Add doors, drawers, wardrobe rods, and baskets to create extra storage that's both stylish and functional.